Cheetah.
Hello friends, do you know which is the fastest animal in the world? Can you tell me? Yes, that is the cheetah. So now let us learn some more facts about the cheetah. Cheetah is the world's fastest animal. Cheetah mostly lives in Africa. It has long, slim and muscular legs. It eats other animals like deer, rabbit, etc. Cheetah hunts during early morning and evening. Cheetah likes tall grass and bushes around them. Cheetah cannot climb on high trees. Young one of cheetah is called cub. Cheetah belongs to cat family. Cheetah does not fight with its enemies like other cats. Friends, I told you a lot of facts about the cheetah. So now it's your turn to answer a few simple questions for me. Cheetah is the world's dash animal. Friends, let's find the correct answer. Cheetah is the world's fastest animal. F-A-S-T-E-S-T. Fastest animal. Cheetahs mostly live in dash. Friends, now you tell me the correct answer. Cheetahs mostly live in Africa. A-F-R-I-C-A. Africa. Well done. It eats other small animals like dash. It eats other small animals like cat. No. Then deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Cheetah belongs to dash family. Cheetah belongs to cat family. C-A-T. Cat. Cheetah likes tall dash and dash around. What do they like? They like tall grass and bushes around. Tall grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. And B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. Cheetah is the world's fastest animal. Cheetahs mostly live in Africa. It eats other small animals like deer. Cheetah belongs to cat family. Cheetah likes tall grass and bushes around. Quiz time is now over. Let's have some fun together. Let's sing a lovely cheetah song.
Fastest animal am I. No one can pass me by. In minutes I can catch my prey. Be it night or be it day. I also climb tall trees and pounce when no one sees. Don't take chances with me. I'm as wild as wild can be. Cheetah, cheetah is my name. Cheetah, cheetah is my name.
Friends, the song was very lovely. So now let us see a beautiful story.
Once upon a time, in a jungle, there lived a clever jackal. One day, while wandering in the jungle, he saw a dead elephant. Eager to eat the flesh, the jackal went closer and tried to cut the flesh with his teeth. But the skin was too tough to give way to the flesh. The jackal tried and tried. However, he could not succeed in cutting the thick skin. The tired jackal sat near the dead elephant and started thinking how to solve this problem. Suddenly, the jackal eyed upon the lion who was coming towards him. He said humbly, "Your Majesty, I am guarding this dead elephant for you. Please eat it." The lion roared,
I never eat animals which are killed by other animals. I think you know this very well.
Saying this, the lion went away. The jackal was happy that the lion did not want to eat the dead elephant. But his problem to eat the elephant's flesh was yet to be solved. After some time, a roaming tiger arrived there. The jackal sensed the danger. "The tiger would surely be interested in this dead elephant," thought the jackal. When the tiger came closer, he said in a hurried tone, "Please go away from here. I am guarding the hunt of the king lion. He has gone to take bath. Before leaving, he has told me that if any tiger comes here, I must inform him, as he has vowed to kill all the tigers of this jungle." Hearing this, the tiger got frightened and fled from there. Soon after the tiger left, a leopard approached there. The cunning jackal knew that the leopard had a sharp teeth and it could be solution to his problem. The jackal grinned to see the leopard and welcomed him. "Come, friend, come. I'm seeing you after a long time. You are looking tired and hungry. Why don't you take a few bites of this dead elephant? I'm guarding this elephant for the lion. The lion has gone to take bath."
Oh no, how can I eat the lion's hunt? If he sees me eating his prey, he will surely kill me.
"You just don't worry about it. I will remain alert and signal you when I see the lion coming back. You can easily run away then." The hungry leopard agreed and thanked the jackal to provide him with his opportunity. The jackal kept watching the leopard struggle with the elephant's thick skin. As soon as he saw the leopard tearing off the skin of the elephant successfully, he shouted, "Beware! Lion is coming!" The next moment, the leopard disappeared from there with a lightning speed. The clever jackal laughed aloud and sat near the dead elephant to relish it all alone. Moral: wisdom makes victory.